Rose. Roses are among the most recognizable and widely grown garden flowers in the world, admired for their layered, soft petals and rich, often sweet fragrance. They come in a wide range of colors, including red, pink, white, and yellow, with each color traditionally associated with different meanings such as love, friendship, or remembrance. Roses grow best in sunny locations with well-drained soil, and while they may require some care like pruning and pest control, their timeless beauty makes them a centerpiece in many gardens. Tulip. Tulips are classic spring blooming flowers, known for their smooth, cup-shaped blooms and vibrant colors. Originally native to Central Asia and later popularized in Europe, they are now a staple in gardens around the world. Tulips grow from bulbs and are typically planted in the fall so they can bloom in early spring. Their clean, simple shape and bold appearance make them ideal for creating colorful garden displays, especially when planted in large clusters. Sunflower. Sunflowers are tall, striking plants famous for their large, round flower heads and bright yellow petals that resemble the sun. One of their most unique features is their ability to track the sun's movement across the sky during early growth stages. In addition to their visual appeal, sunflowers produce seeds that can be eaten or used to make oil. They thrive in full sunlight and are often used to add height and a cheerful atmosphere to garden spaces. Daffodil. Daffodils are one of the first flowers to bloom in spring, easily recognized by their trumpet-shaped centers, surrounded by soft petals. Usually yellow or white, they are known for symbolizing renewal and the arrival of warmer weather. Daffodils grow from bulbs and are very low maintenance, making them ideal for beginner gardeners. They are also resistant to most pests and animals, which helps them return year after year with minimal effort. Lily. Lilies are elegant, often fragrant flowers that grow from bulbs and produce large, eye-catching blooms. They come in many varieties, including Asiatic and Oriental lilies, each offering different colors, patterns, and scents. Lilies prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, and they are commonly used in both gardens and floral arrangements. Their tall stems and dramatic flowers make them a standout feature in any planting design. Marigold. Marigolds are bright, hardy flowers that bloom in shades of orange and yellow, adding warmth and color to any garden. They are especially popular because they are easy to grow and require very little maintenance. Beyond their appearance, marigolds are known for their natural pest-repelling properties, which can help protect other plants nearby. This makes them a practical as well as decorative choice for garden borders and vegetable patches. Petunia. Petunias are versatile flowering plants that produce abundant blooms in a wide variety of colors, including purple, pink, red, and white. They are especially popular in hanging baskets, containers, and garden beds because they bloom continuously throughout the growing season. Petunias prefer sunny conditions and regular watering, and their spreading growth habit allows them to fill spaces with dense, colorful coverage. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant flowering plant known for its soft purple blooms and calming scent. It is commonly used in gardens not only for its beauty, but also for its practical uses, such as in essential oils, sachets, and herbal remedies. Lavender thrives in sunny, dry conditions with well-drained soil, and it attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Its soothing aroma also makes it a favorite for creating relaxing outdoor spaces. Peony. Peonies are lush, full-bodied flowers with layers of delicate petals that create a rich, rounded appearance. They typically bloom in late spring to early summer and are known for their soft fragrance and long lifespan. Once established, peony plants can live and bloom for decades with minimal care. Their large, showy flowers make them a popular choice for both garden displays and cut flower arrangements. Daisy. Daisies are cheerful, simple flowers characterized by their white petals and bright yellow centers. Although some varieties come in different colors, they are easy to grow and can thrive in a variety of conditions, making them ideal for beginner gardeners. Daisies often symbolize innocence and purity, and their bright, open appearance brings a fresh and lively feel to garden spaces. If you learned something, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment which one you want explained next.